Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Nega gle anyeji Toboli Nega nyo anyeji Toboli Mega favile zamenamo Mega favile zamenamo Dale na hokwe la siyo na blo Definero Toboli Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Nega gle anyeji
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. We are still in the beautiful city of Atakpame, and today we are preparing fufu and light soup. Yeah, we are going to show you guys the peeling process, the boiling, the pounding and the eating, and trust me, this is the best fufu video you're ever going to see here on YouTube. It's a very beautiful process to watch, and trust me, you are going to love every single step. So for our fufu, these are the ingredients we are going to need: some okra, garden eggs, tomatoes, the almighty fish from Nangbeto. This is called governor. We have our pepper right here, and salt and cubes, green pepper. Yeah, it doesn't take a lot of spices. And of course, we have some mighty yam seeds that were grown here in Atakpame as well. You guys, can you see the sizes? They are so big. Yeah, so we are going to proceed by peeling the yams. Yeah. Simple, sick. Wow. You guys, they have a technique of peeling yam here in Togo, but me, I don't really know this technique. Usually I will cut it like circularly before peeling, but usually they just go ahead and peel it. Yeah. Yeah, la terre, c'est ça. So we are basically taking off the skin, and that's it. And some people can dry the skin and still make fufu from it though. I will show you guys an example. Yeah. So after taking out the first layer of the skin, we are taking out the second layer for drying, and the second layer is also used for making fufu. C'est qu'on fait avec ça, on appelle ça quoi, ma? Le nom de cette fufu c'est quoi?
Olobo.
Okay, so they use it in making olobo. It's another fufu, the brown one, or the brown one. Okay. Both là.
On appelle ça olobo.
Et un ébé.
On prépare la pâte avec ça.
On peut mélanger avec maïs aussi.
On peut
simple. Non, c'est ce que tu m'avais amené. Oui. Yeah.
L'eau chaude. Et après
on sèche. Donc ça là on va verser dans l'eau chaude.
Oui.
Ah. So usually you soak this in hot water, and after soaking it in hot water you dry it, and when it's dry you take it to the grinding mill and you can grind your fufu. Can you see, guys? It's like using one stone to shoot two birds. So this is how the cutting is done. Usually I just cut it anyhow. C'est comme ça qu'on coupe les yams pour piler fufu. On ne coupe pas n'importe comment. C'est comme ça. Wow. I'm learning. We just went ahead and peeled the yam, and this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I'll go ahead and boil this as well, and let's see how it goes. So we are washing the yams to get rid of the sand. You guys, there is a lot of sand here in Togo, so you have to carefully wash everything you want to cook to get rid of the sand. Yeah. So before making our fire, we are cleaning the fireplace, you guys. When you clean this often with clay, it keeps it like really shiny. Yeah, and it's really attractive. So we have to do this often, like every day. It's really sunny though. Can you guys see this? This is so nice. Ok, tu dis si on ne passe pas ça sur ça, ça casse.
Ça casse.
Ah.
C'est pourquoi on passe.
So if you don't give it a clay bath every day, the fireplace will break. So that's the reason you have to do this every single day. Wow. Our yam is almost ready. Yeah, it's so hot. The sun is high, you guys. So for our light soup, we are adding some water into a pot. It's a very easy recipe, guys. Just like that, and everything will go in here. Yeah. So usually light soup is made with a lot of hot pepper, and we are grinding some because the soup has to be hot, if you guys know what I'm saying. And we are going to add in the green pepper as well, but we are not going to grind it. This is what produces the hotness of the soup. Yeah, they have a lot of red peppers here though. So the first thing we are adding is the red pepper, and it changes the color like completely, you guys. Are you seeing how red this is? Yeah. And now we are going to add in our tomato paste, just like that. Remember, this is light soup, so the soup has to be light. This watery. It's looking so perfect already. And now we are going to add in our Maggi cube. We are going to prepare our vegetables as well. We are adding in some garden eggs, some onion, and okra. Yeah. Light soup without veggies is not light soup, you guys. Usually you have to add in some veggies inside. Yeah. Into our pot of light soup, we are going to add in some veggies as well, just like this. Okay. So our fish right here is going into the pot of soup as well. She's sleeping. Grandma, Ademela aussi de fini. On will fillet fufu and light soup. Yeah, so we are done adding our fish. I will let this boil for at least 10 minutes. And let's pound our yam. Okay, so we are pounding our fufu right now. Wow, the yam is so fluffy though. I think in about 10 minutes we'll be done. Oh my goodness. So the pounding process is not easy though. It takes some time. And you have to be skilled to pound with 2 people at the same time. Hey! Yeah, go ici, non?
Servir.
Maman. On va ajouter l'eau encore. Et voilà. C'est bon. Our fufu is ready, guys. It's what? Do you see how they mold the fufu out of the mortar? It's very interesting. Ça c'est pour qui, ma?
Pour grand-maman. Pour grand-maman. Ça, tu es là. So, c'est prêt maintenant.
This one is to give it the nicest order on earth, you guys. Our pot of light soup is ready. Yeah. So it's time to serve us light soup. This is mouth-watering. It's looking so delicious. I'll go ahead and try it and let you guys know. But it looks so good already. I can't wait to give it a try. Oh my goodness. So our food is ready and we are about to try. And you are going to tell me if it's a good, it's a good. You guys, let's give it a try. Yeah.
C'est très doux. Vraiment, le repas au village là, c'est plus doux que dans la ville.
N'est-ce pas? Our food is so good, you guys. And the poisson de Nangueto, it is very special for people in Atakpame. C'est très spécial, n'est-ce pas?
Oui. Le poisson avec lequel on a fait de la sauce ici, oui, c'est dans le barrage de Nangueto.
On attrape.
On attrape le barrage de Nangueto.
Wow.
Donc le poisson là, les gens quittent très très loin de payer ça.
Oh mon Dieu. You guys, let me also give the food a try.
Very sweet.
It's so sweet. It's so sweet. Fufu and light soup is like heaven. C'est très très doux. Yeah, mais. Avant quand j'arrivais ici, quand on me sert fufu comme ça, je dis que non, je veux faire autre chose, je n'ai pas aimé. Mais maintenant,
maintenant tu as pris goût.
Yeah, so this was us making fufu and light soup. Yeah, so this was us making our fufu and light soup and it's so good. We are enjoying ourselves here in Atakpame. Thank you guys for watching. And in case you visit Togo, don't forget to visit Atakpame and you will thank me later. Thank you so much for trying my food and telling me that it's delicious. Grandma, auntie, please.
Very, very delicious.
Thank you very much.
I would like to eat this last time.
Next time. Because it's very sweet. Guys, the food is so good. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate you all. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe because it really helps the channel. Until next time, bye.